Alright, here's a practice video of our cook for the Barbeques Galore 32 challenge. Today's word of the day is blah blah blah. Alright, tonight what we've got going on here is we've got portobello mushrooms, bratwurst, we're roasting some peppers, and we've got pineapple. The pineapple was cut and cored, and we're sprinkling on the pineapple a little bit of Dizzy Pig pineapple head. This stuff's great on pineapple. Give it a shot, you're really going to like it. You can see the bratwurst dancing around, they're cooking up nice. We're going to start flipping the pineapple. It's got a nice grill mark on it. We're going to do those just a couple minutes aside. And we got a good dinner going tonight. Now slowly fade out. We'll see you again tomorrow on the Barbeques Galore challenge. Off.